Friends, in today's short analysis video, we will discuss on McDonald's Corporation stock. Dear friends, this stock has broken out from an important resistance level, and along with that, there are multiple positive factors which has already been materialized, and it would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to buy this stock. We can initiate a buy position before an upside rally get triggers. Dear friends, if you'll make a closer look, this was on top where the stock had given a price-wise correction in the form of downwards parallel channel. And as long as the stock was trading under this downward sloping parallel channel, the stock got corrected by price wise. If you'll see the first lower lows trigger here and the second lower lows over here, but as soon as this downward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the upside, first time the lower lows shifted to higher highs, and this is an area where we got in two major positive signal. The first one is downward sloping parallel channel trigger on the upper side, and the second one is lower lows shifted to higher highs. Whenever the lower lows get shifted to higher highs, we take that area as in confirmation that stock has completed the correction and it's ready for an upside move. And now the most important part over here, that will be an chart pattern. If you'll see over here, we got a beautiful symmetrical triangular chart pattern breakout. If you'll see, we got a clear breakouts above. This is a neckline which is already been got trigger, and very soon we will see the first target will be reaching to $330, and the second target will be $340. So this will be a two major target on the upper side, and this is a beautiful pattern which has already been triggered. So now we have a good opportunity, we can buy this stock for a big upside to move. This is it for today's analysis, my dear friends. And this area of neckline will act as a strong support because multiple positive factors got trigger over here. This is an area where we have seen the downward sloping parallel channel trigger on the upper side, lower lows shifted to higher highs, and the positive chart pattern, symmetrical triangular chart pattern trigger on the buy side. So with due respect to all the positive factors which has already been materialized, due to all the positive factors, this area of neckline so far was in resistance, but now it has turned into an important support, and your stop loss should be below this important support so that it won't get triggered so easily. This is it for today's analysis, my dear friends. If you really like my analysis, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.